All right, guys, we're out here to repair this damaged shingle here. I'm gonna get right to it. We're gonna have to unseal it real quick. Oh, there's a tear right here in the shingle. You can see it. Come real close. Caused a tear trying to unseal it here. Got that one unsealed. Oh, that caused a crease or a tear there. Trying to unseal this one. Gonna have to remove some nails off of that one. That just caused a tear there. Try to come from a different angle so I don't make it any worse. That just caused a hole. Terrible mat transfer there. That's what that's gonna be chalked up as. Just some mat transfer. Inevitable. Wasn't even barely picking that shingle up and it just tore right here. I'm just trying to count the nails and that one popped off. Okay. This one just pulled through. That ain't gonna stay on my head. Another pull through there. I just made that tearing worse right there, trying to pick that shingle up, and you can see I'm not lifting it past that 45-degree angle, so it shouldn't be tearing on its own. I really can't control that this shingle is falling apart at every little grip that I make on it. Almost gotten it taken out. Alright, I think I saw the nails. Not even a name on the back of that shingle, so I can almost imagine that this shingle is going to be discontinued. 6, 7. A bit right on the highway.
8, 9.
I just bit right on the highway. Alright. Back up in there. And as you can tell already based off of the measurement, this is going to be a discontinued cost. I can't even fit it up under there, so the exposure is going to be off. Dump truck. Baby shark do doo doo doo. As you can see, I'm trying to line it up as best as I can. The exposure is going to be off a little bit based off of the other shingles on this roof. But if you can look here, you can see that that length. It's about 1.5 inches difference. So this isn't going to work. I'm going to go ahead and finish sealing it, and then we can mark up all of the damage that we found. And you can see what it's doing. This roof snake is doing to the edge of this shingle right here. It's just not helping a lot. We got a couple nail pull throughs from this. We got a couple tears. Just trying to count up all of the damage. Make sure. Wow. It's just tearing apart, guys. Please take this into consideration when doing the assessment on this repair attempt. Every time I touch these shingles, it tears apart. I'm not being aggressive. I'm trying to show proper care and technique to get this repair passed, but it's just really not possible, guys. There's a lot of damage up here. The shingle is very brittle. We're not going to be able to repair any of these shingles just by doing spot repairs. We're gonna need a full replacement on this roof. Got one more nail here, and then we'll be finished up. Where did you come from? Two, three. Oh. Right here. All right. Where's the chocolate? Okay. All right. Huh. Get this shingle here. And you can see just based off of this loop around this shingle here, that's our exposure difference. You got about an inch difference from the end of this shingle to the end of this one. So there's that. Got damage here. Got a tear here. Tear here. Tear here. And then when we were unsealing, had a little bit of tear on the edge of that shingle and another tear on this shingle. So just based off of us doing that repair, we caused a lot of tears. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is going to cause more damage to the roof than what's already up here. So we're going to recommend a full roof replacement just based off of, oh, there's one more tear right there. So just based off all of the damage that we see that this repair caused, we're going to go ahead and say that this is going to need a full